heating coil. So as you can see, that's what I did. Let me see so y'all can put it up in there and see. That's what I did. Well, the thermostat is calling for heat. Nothing is coming on. I got my line of voltage is good. So then I come back down to right here and check from R to my common and see, okay, I don't have 24 volts. So then I go right here, I check that, check my transformer. Hold on, let me get a good connection. All right, checking my transformer. I got 214, that's my 208, that's good. Then I come right here from my 24 volts, try to get my 24 volts, and that's our problem. No 24 volts coming out from our secondary. So, I mean, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna quote out a transformer, because that's why our thermostat is getting that heating coil and not getting our proper heating from our air handler, which is calling for it. And I also jumped it out, didn't get anything. Now for the other one, if we go right here, let's check this. I did my voltage. I checked my line of power good. So then I go right here, boom, scared the hell out of me. Scared the hell out of me. 0. We should have our heat kick on, but I think our heat gonna kick back off. We got our 0. We got our 0. Fast forward, I got all my zeros on here, but then if you look all the way at the bottom right here, we got 12, 13. So then boom, I go right here, check from right here to right here. I should have 120 on each. None. $120 at the top. But if you see, if I check this one, I have 120 right here and 120 at the bottom. You got a bad fuse. And if you check and look, my fuses right here go to my line of power, which we should be getting good voltage right here. So then if you actually look, it comes up, goes into this contactor, and then goes into our electrical heat strips.